You know that he does not wish to speak to you, okay, or speak to any of you here, so I'm asking you to remove yourself from the campus.
Did Bishop Boyce say that himself specifically? Did Bishop Boyce tell you he didn't want to speak to me?
Yes.
How would he do that when I didn't notify him that I wanted to speak to him? Yeah.
Well, I know none of them wish to speak to you.
How would you know that?
Because I've been informed, okay.
So Bishop Boyce informed you that he doesn't want to speak to me today? You can confirm that?
I can confirm that.
Yeah, and I didn't ask Bishop Boyce today yet.
I'm asking you now to remove yourself from the campus because you're not here for any good purpose, okay?
How would you know that?
That's I'm telling you.
How would you know why I'm here?
Okay.
You didn't ask me yet. I told you why I'm here. I told you I'm here to speak to Bishop Boyce. Now, whether Bishop Boyce wants to speak to me or not, that's his business, but I want to speak to him. And if you have a problem with that, Mr. Hayes, you call the Gardaí. Do not think about putting your hands on me. Understand that, yes? I'll consider it assault if you lay your hand, or any of your security men, consider it. Do you understand that? Just remember that.
Right, good so it's all about kind of getting to that.
Layers that I was like, you do not know this to be a person.
Yeah, take a video of this first.
Well, King Will. I'm more satisfied.
Mr. Hayes, can I ask you a question? Do you understand the concept of peaceful protest, do you? Did that concept escape you? If you have a problem, go to the Gardaí. So they're here for. Dermot Martin will tell you that. People have the right to a peaceful protest. Part of the Irish Constitution. Even the Gardaí have to respect the Irish Constitution. They break the law, all right. There is the right to peaceful protest. I'm exercising that right. You working tomorrow, Mr. Hayes? Are you working tomorrow? If I don't get them today, I'll get them tomorrow. So you'll need to be here again tomorrow. I suggest you learn the art of diplomacy and learn how to speak properly to people. You'll get much further. The victims of the child raping priests have come across plenty of people like you, Mr. Hayes. The victims of that evil church are well used to your type, coming out with the aggression. How many children were raped by people like with your manner? Because priests behaved like you a few years ago. They're not doing it now, I'll tell you. I had a Roman Catholic teacher like you at the national school, Mr. Hayes. Used to beat the shit out of me. I was terrified of him. I'm not afraid of you today, nor any of you. Same manner, he'd come at me the same way you came at me today. Full of venom. I'll cut no ice today, boy. Not afraid of you today. Pure evil, you are. Pure evil. Full of venom. Full of viciousness. Roman Catholic Church, all you ever did was rape children. Rapists of children. Nuns battering children, burying children in graves, mass graves, Tuam. Another 14 homes under investigation. Burying bodies all over Ireland. You hang your head in shame, the whole lot of yous. This is a disgrace. Big whisky noses on yous going around. Half of yous dying in alcoholism now because yous can't live with the guilt. Still taking it out on people. Them days are over. 21st century now. Hi Mr. Crean, how are you?
Good.
What are you doing with Dan Duane?
That's between Dan Duane and me.
Is it?
Yes.
Are you going to bring criminal charges against him?